21st century is a century of speed. Any business or bonus speed. Let me give you a typical example.
Okay.
Before now, banks, every bank in Ghana na ban alu bank na this avenue. Okay, ma.
Yes.
When the traffic they build up, because 21st century is a century of speed, business of speed. If you are not delivering fast, always at the time, in the bank, is express. In my why? Because people in 21st century, people actually didn't waste time before traffic. Now, Hajjane Express is Yellow Bazia Bank. People got big issue with traffic. To tell you something, what India they were destroying our economy. I mean the KANU and go, and it's quite unfortunate. And for that sake, Nandi Boko Haram Nandi Boko Haram for that second Nandi Boko Haram no one had to stop for. Na Hanagagadi this year a lot of Boko Haram members have been killed and but that's by the way. Onye kuno to isi aje when Boko Haram dey na nolo. Ban I have belong to Boko Haram. And I tried such activity. And I did make competition. They try to compete with technology, innovation, and what have you. But now going na Boko Haram. The Southwest has done something within Lagos cluster. What have they done? They've tried so much to make Lagos a free from violence crime, which reinsured investors. Have you studied how Warri collapsed? I'm writing a book on collapse of Warri. Warri was an oil city. Crisis collapse Warri. Today, Warri be a major oil hub in Nigeria. As you are finishing school, you are looking to get job in Warri or Port Harcourt. Lagos will last.
Wow.
Warri collapsed. Investors left. I have a colleague, my colleague, no UK Peter, or an indigenous of Warri. The other day in Akalia. How also today, nothing they happen again. KK or recharge card. 9 they do now. Now Warri. No. Carry the game.
What happened? Why did it collapse? What happened?
The crisis, the Ishekiri, Ijo, and the Robo crisis. And as all you compete with Egunka, and as okay, then they from there, from there, they started having crisis. Started triggered war. Warri won 1998, 1999, 2000 war. Warri. The mess. What happened? Investors now moved. Companies now moved their headquarters to Lagos. The business Warri hub was driven by oil and gas activities. It collapsed. That is how crisis can collapse the economy. Because investors they want where they are, their family will be at peace. And when they move their family, what happened? If the family had been open a family here, or move a family, the implication is that Oyaza spend the go for Noka could move family out.
Yes.
The woman will not go to buy something for food, and the money will not circulate. Then the school, or private school, and thereby the school will lose money.
Yes.
And the economy will continue to lose money. That's it. And businesses started closing down after the migration of the elites from Warri.
Yes.
That was how Warri collapsed. The collapse of Warri. Today, most of them, and Lagos avoid it. Lagos needs strong such thing in Lagos. So, I have a problem now, Port Harcourt. For instance, when Port Harcourt had the first problem, the nightlife activity moved to Warri from Port Harcourt. Hotel Bidoluba, no Warri. What am I saying? Now look at what is happening in Anambra. Asaba is benefiting. Asaba is booming. That is crisis. And again, we are yet to have a strategic PR management that we can work with this insecurity. How is it we manage? Can they manage insecurity and abandon? so that business can come back to Southeast. People can afford and I give you an example. I was in Maiduguri the other when. That was after the war crisis in Maiduguri. So can land in airport. I land in airport. Now Maiduguri. I was thinking where's the name of Maiduguri? I never his name Maiduguri. I feel I'm as in perception where. Otu anko when not that perception na anibo. No whether na gana anibo. You got an easy. That's what they are thinking. So as we are restoring security to our land, we should also be working on PR, media management. Kamaka is in position here so that people can have confidence and start coming back to invest and what have you, so that our people will have jobs. For instance, your staff here 500,000 a month. Okay, ma?
Yes.
Because economic activity, economic activity, only a month in earn 20-30 million from big companies in Anambra. You can be able to pay such to your staff. That's why we need to see economic angle of this nonsense agitation. And a problem, yes. But what you are bringing is not a solution. You are damaging, you are causing more problem for us. You save when you see now. Yes, this is now where money hanging a problem or that is what we are saying.
Dalu.
Every election victory begins with a good media projection and visibility. For this reason, BAM Interview has created this campaign space for all our political candidates to reach out to Ndibo and convincingly tell them why their votes should be in your favor. Hurry now, contact the numbers on your screen today. Let's take you a step closer to your victory.
Dalu, you talked about that where you disagreed with the whole NNAMDI KANU strategy was when violence was now introduced and everything. I was listening to NNAMDI KANU's interview with Sahara TV, I think 11 years ago or thereabout. He was saying that there is no revolution in the world that happened without violence, that you should show him one, that any revolution that is bound to happen must be violent. What do you have to say about that?
Thank you. That was an indictment. That was an indictment. The point is that what is revolution? He couldn't even define revolution. Because I'm not defining revolution. What do you want to achieve? Okay, how does killing your people in the name of violence we give you, because opening a agitation for state creation for new nation, he would map a draw strategy, deputy, got to do that. You start working on it. Man, it's a situation whereby you say, no, any nation, Gabon nation, now give me violence. See, I don't want violence to have to create a country in the first place. Obure Zoku, young one add a check of man. Open no check of Momalu, me on a cordia possible. Also, now with violence. Was here, but I don't do violence. Yeah, but I do be. Ojo, Macas na me violence na you bully, you're gonna call and I boom mad. You draw that in die we are.
But he has lost a couple of people in the struggle too. They say his parents and then some relatives.
Na propaganda. Good na propaganda, and because when the government had account that they are propaganda. But let me tell you, when the army they have buzo attack and the army na galo onfa na ga patrol boys say na to do army na chiazo we get reinforce so atu the army put the reinforce we biazia in full force nda agba bie ono do no that day. Why is it no one no kunrebu of some kitia jack na aboka agbala egbe. Man, if ever any way, they just know they kill Jack and few others. He couldn't mention them. Like they can do this, mess so many parents in the mud. Also, what did he lose? When you go to Canada, did he lose? He was making money. Also, no lose. When they make money, go to a truck for primary school anywhere in Igbo land. But the point is this. OJ study and in the southern Cameroon, Abanzonia. They destroy southern Cameroon. Agitation. Agitation, you close those schools. Close those schools. You are creating self-injury. You didn't make any diplomatic engagement of any type to convince any country to even support you or to give you diplomatic cover. None. And what? It just not even an Igbo. Important to that say photo, to that say picture. He made holy. The crowd is now mom day faka and now about is that not stupid? You are interrupting the man or he puts you to Ndami, he go army checkpoint and all that. What is that how to create a state? And have you seen now you will mad be. It's only how to mammy ake mo papia, mo manye, mo nyama no me, or waloso. Open up there. Now the Okawuna you also go jail, no, you do no, rather. One thing that's a so warrior of Messiah.
Dalo. In that same interview that I talked to you about, that Sarah TV interview, the host, Rodolph Okonkwo, raised this issue that I think you've raised there, that OKG influence here were form a political party and then change what he say he does not like. He raised the issue with NNAMDI KANU. NNAMDI KANU said that they have tried that with Apuga and it failed. I think what he was referring to could be when Ikechukwu contested for the Nigerian president and then even Igbo did not vote for him. You know, what do you have to say about that? He said that they have tried political involvement and it failed with Apuga. What do you have to say about that?
He failed with Apuga. It was failed with Apuga. The thing is this, Apuga na Chinana Blopia.
Yes.
One, you only one obodo agitation for state creation get you Apuga.
Yes.
That is one. So all the or Apuga was just for how many Igbo alternative to PDP and all this. Man, obodo can Oduku brought part of formation of Apuga. He was brought in after the formation. Flag bearer. And let me even tell him, no region can be president without another. You must apply, you must work on handshake across on Hausa man produce Fulani man boom president on their own. Yoruba man boom, Igbo man boom, need
alignment.
Yes. But KANU has been anything related to alignment, he will be talking, abusing the other supposed partners. Instead, of course, na tribe can work. Can ya work. On can only be your woman. Never do carry over within 4 years. Go. If true, Arabeha can like Bulaga, but the Arabeha Banavara. But on that KANU, they move war into there. On him or Wezo on any video on the basic.
Yes. Yes.
If what the video. Or to guess Abu Imokande Bunupo. Bugo Bondo or no meeting. Boni Neji go Nanamba when no meeting. We're no meeting. We mobilize ya in Nupuego over 500 million naira. Raise Bego. We say take their own security. We're too baha. Partner with the conventional police security. We're too bazia too baha. We secure Ubo. They retrieve Ubo from them. This side, man, side, the Gamma here, man. Why not? I am maybe more than able to fly in Anocha more. Now, side Anam. Maka Haman ha kidnap on Madeba, no, where ya Ubo. Then you get to an hour, say, I have what you Ubo. When you boy, Abu, every the fly out. A boy, I have kidnapped on Madeba Ubo. Because nobody can have that, or both the Yankana. Non-state, let me tell you, Nani Kalu, non-state actor. You are not going to buy Emeka. Let me tell you, after the 9/11, after this, the world changed. World changed in terms of terrorism. He couldn't even push your argument. And let me tell you, now 2015, the World Igbo Congress, Fulani herdsmen and all that, he saw opportunity. When launch your ESN, Eastern Security Network. Now we fight and that Fulani. Before then, I appeared in radio station when Yoruba people now form Omotogun. I was asked what the position Igbo, the Igbo get form. West so far, Nandi Igbo was centrally controlled in terms of that. Then we're community-based security network. Now, what Igbos will do is to strengthen their community VLAN group and create a link. Look, interlocal governments, the Nandi or Rukune have a problem. They can reach out to the local government, other community mobilize their support. No, they said existing infrastructure, then strengthen and create another administrative link corp so that every community can get donated to the extra problem. But the governors are also not thinking fast. Then this guy went for opportunity where launch I have one, they are not state actor. I want to legal to Haji Webu dear way. Legal. They can eat and now federal government natural is where Tagra is where Tagra terrorist. Can we that where passes the ball, how about one next?
Okay, finally we come on carry. Okay, because without wasting much of your time, na on time na enwe meeting. Onwa na nke mfu advert ya. Nya na nke na airport. Achom ka isekọta ya for. Ka nkwụ ugwu ozugbo. Achọkwana m ịrụ na ebe m aga lụcha na plane na agafe. Na afunu plane. Anọkata mfe mpụta n'ụtụtụ felu aka. Iya agụta ya ka eti agụta anụ na stew na ofe. Egoere nya. Obi ara atọkwala m ụtọ ogo na ya na ọgaranya na dịte ndụ aka.